Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video, and here to show you guys unboxing of these new PRV tweeters. So, and let me give y'all a little preview of what's to come. Alright, and I'm still waiting on a little bit more stuff to come in though, but yeah, I'll get ready for that. That's gonna be a good unboxing. So got my little knife here, so let me go ahead and get these unboxed. Hold on. Alright, we back. These are called the TW350TI-4 Slim. So let's look them up. Let's look at them. First of all, they got a nice little weight to them. See if we can get them out of here. Got the little brackets, and they got a real nice magnet on them, just like the 6.5s. They had a real good magnet on them too. All right, we got them out. Man, this should be able to fit. These boys look tough. I would like to actually put these like somewhere else, man. But man, we're gonna see how these actually sound. Let's take a look back at the box. Put them back up in there. Let's take a look at the box again. They said they got 120 watts. They sold in pairs, of course. Let's look at the specs. You got 4 ohms impedance, of course. 60 watts RMS handling power. They even got dBs in them. Yeah, these are nice, man. Oh, let's look at the bottom of it too. I ain't even know there was a bottom part on it. Now my boy Big Worm, look how the magnet is sticking on everything. But my boy Big Worm, he also has these. Like he had some other stuff in the box too. Hold on. Trying to get this done. Oh, another another PRV audio. And I get stickers, y'all. I get stickers. I know a lot of people probably wonder, like, why you don't got no stickers in this car? Because, if I put a sticker in my car, it's going to say, come steal me. And, that's why I won't put no stickers in my car. I don't live in a nice enough neighborhood to say, hey, they're not going to steal my car, they're not going to touch anything. I got to be, real discreet with it. I can't even really bump around my house, so I don't never even turn the radio up around here. So, there you go, and some of you guys might have to be the same way in your neighborhood, But yeah, PRVs. Becoming a big fan of PRVs. As far as how they, highs go, and so we're gonna just see how they gonna sound, man. I'm gonna hook them up because what made me get these too, and you guys remember that my that my front speakers went in smoke. I wish I could have got that on video for you guys, but it just happened, you know, while I was just riding around. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.